Okay, bear with me as I have my allergies, and it is Tuesday after Memorial Day, 5/28, May 28th, 2013, and we're going to be looking at our SPX trade. I guess here is our paper trade. Let's go pull up the SPX, and as you can see, today we're up 750 bucks. Actually, today we're up $450 overall, up $750. And the market itself, if you look at the 30-minute chart, we can look here on Tuesday. We gapped up in the morning and we came back down. And a lot of people thought we were going to fill the gap, which means coming back down to where we started at. But then we bounced off a moving average and just started moving back up. So now we're doing well into the close. We can pull that down to a 5-minute chart, and we have a little bit of sell-off happening here right at the end. So uh, we will keep a watch on that. But what I wanted to show you was, first we're going to go to our analyze and look at our trades that we have out right now. Right now, if we sold out of our 10-day trade, which is currently in an iron condor, we would be up $700, and our goal is $1,000 for that trade. So you could just take it off and take all the profits, or you could choose to let it expire worthless. We have $30,000 in the market right now, so I don't want to get too greedy with putting on new trades. So we're gonna look at a trade that's gonna be 10 days out, and we're gonna look at two standard deviations out at least. And I gotta plug my Logitech in. Okay, so let us go take a look at our analyzed chart. For 50 days out. There we go. Actually, we'll just look at this. First of all, we're going to find our Delta 10s, and we're just going to take a look at that. So that's actually 1600 for the Delta 11s, 1595 for the Delta 9s, and just looking at what their bid. You can just look real quickly. So the 1600 is 250. The 1590 is $1.85. So that's 75-cent credit for that, I believe. Let's double check, see if I'm smart or if I still don't understand anything. So a 65-cent credit between those two right there, and 60-cent credit. So you can see it's actually going, starting to go down. Oh, so there we go. So that's the bid versus the ask. So we have 65 cents credit through the ask. And people will pay 45 cents for it. So we could probably get filled on our, what we want 50 cents for, is what we usually ask for, which is $500. So the question is, will the market go down to that level? Well, we can look at probability of in the money. So that's basically our delta is 10. Probability of the SPX coming down and reaching 1600 or closing below 1600 is 10%, that it could happen. Probability of touching is actually twice that, 21%. So there's a 21% that the SPX come down, hit 1600, and then bounce right back up. So we're going to go to our analyze. We're going to take, actually we're just going to do this. Sell vertical, 1590. And we'll just take this to the analyze tab. We'll go to risk profile. We're going to take off all this other stuff. And why am I doing that this way? Let's get smart, Ryan. Let us go to that expiration, which would be 10 days from now, which would be June 8th. So what we're going to do is take a look at that, and the first standard deviation out would be 1622. So that is a good past standard. That's far beyond our first standard deviation, which is 68% probability. So let's add 2 more slices, and we'll go down to this funny symbol and add the second standard deviation out. So the second standard deviation is 1585. So we can go and take a look at what can we get for 1585. This is going to be not as much. 1585, we want to sell that. So we will buy the 1575. So 35% credit. And that's a delta 7. So I don't think we'll be able to get that today. But let's try the 1595 and sell or buy back the 1585. 55-cent credit. Okay. So that I could do. And we're going to ask for 55 cents, and we're going to confirm and send on that. And while we wait for that, let's go take a look at some other things. We're going to look at our volume open interest. So our open interest on the put side, we have a lot of support here at 7,000. And then, as you can see, we have a lot of support at these big round numbers, 1575, 6,000. Open interest there. And on the call side, see 1700, big round number, 1650, big round number. So you have those big round numbers. So I'm going to end this video. I'm going to listen back in the room, listen to John Carter. And we're going to see if we get filled in those. And that's all the trades I want to do for now, because we have, that'd be $40,000 in the market, and we need some money. Excuse me, sorry about that. We need some money to defend our positions with. So that's about it.